Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be looking at how to reset a breaker box or a tripped breaker. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, and we are back, and the first thing I'm going to say is that I am not an electrician, but I do know the basics of the breaker box. And right now you can see that each of these are associated with a certain electrical appliance. So this one is for the disposal, this one for the dishwasher and whatnot. So you can see all of these are pointing in this direction, so they have not been tripped. And this one for the dryer is pointing in the other direction. A lot of times it'll be like halfway, so it'll look like something like this. So if that's the case, then you want to go ahead and flip it all the way off and then flip it back on. There's different reasons why a circuit breaker will trip, but if it keeps doing this, make sure you go ahead and take a look. Let's say if I reset this and it keeps tripping, I want to go to the electrical outlet for the dryer and make sure that I don't have a bunch of other stuff plugged in there. Might be overloading it or something. And if that might be the case, you might want to take a few of the other things out of there other than just the dryer. And if that doesn't fix it, you should probably talk to an electrician. Like I said, I am not one, but I know just enough on how to reset the breaker. So like I said, if it's kind of stuck halfway like this, go ahead and flip it all the way off and then flip it all the way back on. All right, and that is it for today's super simple fix. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below. Otherwise, have yourself a great day.